Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Ampere Droplet and Droplet Pro Bluetooth wireless speaker. They sell these at Brookstone, so you might have bought it there, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's one of two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting, if it's not pairing or syncing with your device, or if you're having any kind of issues like that where it's not working, we can very often fix those issues with a hard reset. Now you're going to need to set it up again, and that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're trying to get a fresh start as if this were a new speaker and just have it forget everything that it was paired with in the past, we can go ahead and do that quite simply with a hard reset. All we need to do is locate the Bluetooth button here, and we're simply going to press and hold the Bluetooth button for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, the speaker will make an audible sound indicating that the reset is complete, at which point you can go ahead and turn the speaker on and set it up as a brand new speaker.